ECT-15050 operation demo. Insert the battery. The head can rotate 360 degrees. Press the locking pin to install 15-ton dies or an adapter. Press the locking pin on the adapter to install the 12-ton dies. Press the start button. The tool will automatically reset when the pressure reaches the rated level. During crimping, press the pressure release button to reset. Pull out the latch pin to open the head. Crimping demo. Place the crimping material. Press the start button. The dies will close and automatically reset after reaching the rated pressure. Note, the crimping material must match the dies.